Hey entrepreneurs, Clickbank tutorials for beginners or intermediate or for advanced. How I made $300 from Clickbank every day regularly, okay, with one secret method. So if you want to learn this, you need to watch this video until the end. Don't skip it, just watch up till the end, because I'll be showing you the exact strategy what I use in order to break even to make this consistently $300 every day by spending anywhere between $50 a day. Alright, so stay tuned. But before that, what you need to do is you just need to subscribe to my channel, because I make videos on a daily basis on how to make money online with different methods. Alright, so just subscribe to my channel. Before I hit into the content, I just wanted to show you some proofs. These are the proofs which I've made on Clickbank. Okay, I do have make even on JVZoo and Varia Plus. But yes, I did make this particular strategies with the help of Facebook and YouTube paid ads. All right, so that is one thing. But along with that, I made this particular strategies which I'm showing to you guys today. This particularly Feb 5th and Feb 6th. Okay, this particularly with this case studies where I will be showing you that even with this Facebook and YouTube ads also works. But again, the secret strategy which I'm going to show you today with the Clickbank, where we are taking the capturing the link and where we are putting the link, each and everything with this particular video. So stay till the videos, and if you want to learn what exactly I'm doing it with lot of tips and tricks with the backend which I'm working in, then you just need to go with this particular link and grab the course, because I teach about 8 weeks course. All right, so stay tuned for this particular. So what you need to do is you just need to go with Clickbank, find products, and you just need to find the products. I would definitely go with Clickbank University, John Crestani, Cato. So today with example, I'll be taking these two. All right, so Clickbank University, when I click on this particular stuff, okay, it gets searched. And you would see with Clickbank University, I make about per sale $170. Okay, first sale is 76, and after that I make with rebuilds. I make this, and you just need to focus on the gravity. Okay, so this particular has a gravity of 30. So I in my earlier video I just shared that with the gravity, the product which is above 15 is definitely good. So people are actually promoting this particular products. Okay, so make sure your gravity should be anywhere above 15. All right, so what I do is I just grab this link. Okay, I just put here tracking code. Okay, you can see here a lot of different things which I do it. Okay, so what I do is I put a tracking code with banner. Okay, yes, so with the banner, what I do is I get the tracking code, and we will be using this link later. I have already copied it. Okay, so I'll be using it later. So now what I'm going to do is I just wanted to go this particular website. You can see here www.clickbankuniversity.com. That is what the website I want. I don't want this website. So I just copy it and go to this particular website, where this is a particular website where I spy different things which I would be showing you now. Okay, similar web. So what I do is I type Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank University. Okay, when you see that clickbankuniversity.com, okay, when I click on it, okay, you would see here there's a lot of information you would get here. You can capture here. You can see here the global ranks and everything. Okay, so what will happen over here is, okay, so you can see here the traffic overview of the traffic both on desktop and on mobiles. Okay, you can see here in particular engagements they have nearly about, okay, some 300,000. Okay, and you can see here average duration and the page visits and bounce rates. So here is the country. Here is the major things which you need to focus on. You can see here these are the top 5, and if you go for the paid version you get even more countries, but I would definitely stick with this free plan. You can see here the United States being the number 1, Brazil, India number 3, Argentina, and United Kingdom. Okay, these are the major countries where this particular products have been promoted and bought. Okay, so this you come to know about here. And the traffic source, this is the direct, which is you are doing an ads on different factors. One is like Facebook or YouTube ads, or on different kinds of banner ads or something like that. Okay, but this is with the direct, this is with the referral, this is with the search like SEOs, this is with the social like when you're sharing it on LinkedIn or Pinterest or any other platforms. This is on the email marketing, and this is the display marketing. Today we will be going to talk about this particular platforms. All right, so yes. And after that, with the referrals, they don't have enough data. As I shared, SEOs, that's search, organic search, you have a lot of it. And then with the socials, you would see YouTube. Okay, YouTube plays a major role with 64%. So YouTube ad does works, but yes, it does works because most of my revenue comes from the YouTube and even on the Facebook. So these are the two things where I drive my leads earlier. But even I've tested one particular platform, which is, I don't want to neglect that, which is like search, where like display. So today traffic is I will speak about displays. Okay, there's nothing rocket science which you need to learn, because many says me like Facebook is definitely damn difficult for me, YouTube ads are damn difficult for me, how would I do it? So for that, you can even do this. This is particular one thing which you need to know. Okay, and even what kind of keywords they get searched. So even like paid keywords, so you can even drive traffic on that. And this is what the display advertising today I'm going to talk about. So you can see here top publishers. Okay, you can see a display advertising top publishers. Okay, you can see here even Clickbank advertise onto this Clickbank, this particular YouTube, IMJets, mail.com, everything comes on displays. And subdomain is the traffic share. All right, so you can see the audiences also. So once you come to know what kind of audiences actually people are targeting, you can just capture this. Okay, you can see a business and industry, internet and telecom. These all you need to take it into notes. You need to take down into notes so that we can use them as a keywords. All right. So, and again, they are the competitors. Okay. Here you get to know about the competitors. Who are the main competitors? Like different products. I'm sorry, I just want to go back and explain you all the details over here. The competitors and everything, you come to know an idea about it. Okay, so once you analyze all those factors, you just need to take it down, notes, lot of notes over here, because once you understand it, it becomes damn easy for you. You can see various competitors for this particular website. Okay, these are all the competitors. Okay, and here again you would see here more related, no apps was found for this particular stuff. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, okay, now once we find out all this information, we would sign up for a particular traffic, a particular where we would be sharing our content, which is called Taboola. Okay, this is what the particular website which is called Taboola. Okay, I've already done one ad, okay, which is actually not showing over here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to just go for the new campaign. For the first time, this will not look like this. You just need to go and create a campaign, and after that you would see the first ones to create a campaign. Then you have to go and type it. Now here you have to type in like your name, whatever, the name and the branding text. I would just go and I'm Suman and the branding text as Jane. Okay, so now what you want to do: web engagement, brand awareness, lead generation, online purchase, mobile app install. So anything you can do it. Just for this stuff, I'm just going for the brand awareness, but usually I've even done with the lead generation also, because with the lead generation, what you can do is you can drive leads such as email scientists. Okay, so I would just go either for the brand awareness or web engagement. We'll go even for the web engagement. So what happens with the web engagement? You get more engagement and page views on your site. So what you can do is here for the blogs, if you have a particular blog, you can drive the traffic on here. Okay, so like as soon as the ad is viewed, so let it be here just like this. Okay, and whenever I want to stop, I would just stop and let the campaign schedule for 24/7. Don't do for customs. Okay, and here the target location, I would by default I would select United States, because that is the #1. Okay, so I would select one locations, and if you want, even you can region like like California's and all, you can use it. And I just want to avoid tablets. I just wanted traffic for the desktop and the smartphones, and I would of course wanted Android phones, and I would even include this. add iOS also. Okay, and I just wanted to keep it everything very simple. I don't want to do anything like that as of now. Okay, per click how much you wanted to pay. By default, this is what the minimum you would be paying it. Okay, smart bid, or if you wanted a fixed bid. Smart bid is where they will automatically adjust your baseline bid to get the most result based on your marketing objectives. All right, so sometimes it is 3.3, 0.35, sometimes it is 0.50, so it depends upon that. So what is your CPA, cost per acquisition? So that you can give them, you know, like 20, what you wanted to pay, or if you want, you can type in $1, and for spending limit you can type in, you know, like $20 per day. So with a spending limit of $20, cost per click, you are looking at maximum of 58 clicks per month. So that you would come to know. And here, if you want to do it, you can even decrease it. Okay, and here again you will get 100 clicks. So by default, we would be doing it 0.05. So you get, okay, because if it is a lead generation, then here in minimum it has to be 0.35. But if it is an I'm just driving an engagement, so it is just 0.05. Okay, so I will be having 400 clicks, and this is always with the optimized don't diviner, and the tracking code, you can add the tracking code, and if you have additional request, you can click on that. And now I just go and click on this until, okay, until 28. Okay, so yeah, the end date, sorry, I did not add that. So I'll just go and click on the continue. So once I go and click on the continue, then I would get the other page open. Okay. Okay, I did not add that. Oops. Okay. So now what would happen is it would go to the next one, the confirmations and all the informations, whatever you have typed in, that information, okay? And after that, you just need to submit the campaign. I'm not doing anything now because I don't want to submit now because I've already have one campaign running. And then once you submit, then they would ask you your details, like your card details or billing details and everything. And after that, you just click on the confirm page. And once it is confirmed, they would take anywhere between 48 hours to confirm your campaign. Okay, this is one kind of campaigns. There's one more website which I even have done is called Outbrain. Okay, so here when I go to the Outbrain, here also it is just, I've just tested it. Okay, I've just tested it. It is also given me good results. Okay, and for this I've created one more website, a dummy website, where the content is not yet been published. Okay, so what I will be doing is I'm just clicking on add campaign over here. Okay, and once I click on the add campaigns, you would see here, you first thing what you need to do is you just need to name your campaign. Okay, so I will just Clickbank University. Okay, so I just go on this Clickbank University. I just wanted to run continuously, and it starts from 26. Okay, and yes, and after that it is like daily. It will let it start at like 12 a.m. standard EST. And enter locations here again. I just wanted to type in United States. You can type in anything you wanted. But as I shared with you over here, the 5 particular countries, you just need to target, focus on those things. Okay, so I would just go for United States. Okay, and search for the interest. So here comes the major rules. Okay, the interest which we saw over here. Okay, you can, I just said you to take down the notes of the interest, you know, like internet and telecom, business and industries. These are the particular factors which you need to make sure you add that thing. Okay, so here when you do it, platforms, what kind of platforms you use? Smartphones, and you want the desktops. Okay, you want a tablet. So you need to add anything, and you can see here the potential reach. Okay, and after that, this is again operating system you're going with which. I'm just removing this. Okay, and I'm just adding it so that I get my perfect, and I just wanted to block this particular stuff. I don't want it. And here again, here comes the magics. Okay, so here directly you should not click this. You just need to click on this, and then you need to see which is your particular audiences. Mine is like small business, retire investment. So here you get a potential yeah, real estates, and I even wanted to target more. I want to target media. So you can see here how the audiences keeps on changing their numbers. Okay, career, bankings. Okay, so I'll just keep it very simple for this. Okay, you can even go with travels and technologies, because here you can see here internet and telecom, business and industries, internet, telecom, online marketing, and shopping. So these are the basic things which you need to make considers. And one more thing which you can, shopping. So if you have that into category, yeah, so you just have to click on this. But if you can see here, I'm just narrowing it down, so I don't want to narrow it. I just wanted to keep my audiences little bit here. And here if you have any tracking, you can add it, or if you want to add a pixel, even the Facebook pixel, you can add it over here. So once you do that, you just need to click a strategies over here. Minimum, you can see here, when I change it, you can see here, depending upon your stuff, the suggested is 52. So I give the suggested 152 per click. Okay, so cost per click will be 52 cents. Okay, and the budget minimum at the out rate is $50. Okay, per day. You can even spend per month, which is 1500. So minimum is per day. So I would just ask you to do it with one per day, and you just go with the content now. So now how you add the content, that is most important over here. So first what you need to is, we have copied a link, we'll just type in over here and the banners. Okay, and now we click on it and we will add the content. How would you add the content over here? What you need to do is you just need to go and search a content related on a Google, or if you have a picture. Okay, so I make these kind of pictures. Okay, so what I do is I will add something like these kind of pictures over here. So I just go click on that. Okay. Just, yeah. So now I'll just search a picture now over here. Okay, so this is what the recent one which I've tried in. Okay, so now what will happen is it will grab the picture over here, and then I will just click on apply it. So once you see that there will be a format. Okay, so now I will apply it. You can see here I can even write it down, university. So I already have a notes over here. Okay, so I'm just asking it in a question format. Okay, Clickbank University works. Can you succeed with it? Okay, you can see here I just have a random link over here, a valid one, and I just go on and click on launch the campaign. When I click on the launch the campaign, it will see inactive as of now, because yet my account is not approved over here properly. So once it is get approved, even this ad will be get approved. So in this way, what happens is you create an ad, and after 48 hours to 3 days, it usually takes 2 days to 3 days, and then your ads campaign will get activated. And after that, you can select what time and publishers, geos and platforms, how the conversion and how the audience is. You can look all the data over here. So I believe this kind of information has helped you in today's video. And if you like this video, just comment below the video that what you liked it and what you have learned it. And after applying the strategies, just comment below this video so that I get more information on how it is working for you guys as well. And if you want to learn about how I do it with these kind of stats, then you just need to click on this particular link, check below the description, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel to get notified and how to make money online with different methods. Thank you so much and stay cool. Bye bye.